John is here now with a gorgeous spring dish.
Spring chicken.
This is lovely, yeah.
Yeah, so it's just it's chicken thighs with some asparagus, which is almost in season. British asparagus comes into season in about 2 or 3 weeks. So when it comes in, you've got to grab it because it's only in for 5 weeks.
I was going to say it's that short sort of window, isn't it? So you just get in there, and that's when it is just at its best, isn't it?
Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
So tender. I like it roasted.
I love that.
It's just so good.
Yeah.
So for the base of this dish, it's a one-pot tray bake kind of thing. So for the base, well, not one pot because I've got a pan here. That's a complete lie. I'll get hounded on Twitter for that. But it's a one tray. So in here I've got some potatoes, new potatoes. I've just brought those up to a boil for about 15 minutes, just until a knife pierces them easily. And you always boil anything that grows in the ground, underground that is, you always boil it from cold water. So you put it in cold water with salt and bring it up to the boil.
Oh, really?
Otherwise you can shock the starches and it can make a right old mess.
So boil it from cold, never put hot water in first?
Never put hot water in first.
Oh,
with pasta, of course, you have to, but with potatoes or anything like that, boil it from cold.
Interesting, I didn't know that.